Good afternoon. Today we'll be looking at PDC-One, the easiest solution to leverage SAP Business One Production module. Those of you that use SAP Business One, you're currently working into Business One like this. We added at the bottom here PDC-One menu, which provides you with the job status, which is a dashboard of what's taking place in real time on the production floor based on what people are scanning and entering into the system. So very quickly, you'll see this is all color-coded. All the work orders are listed above. And then as people will do things on the production floor, this will be updated based on what's taking place there. White, nothing has been started on the work order. Green, people are working on it. Yellow, it's been worked on and stopped. Gray, it's completed. And of course, if it's late or risking delay, you want to pay attention, of course. If you click on the work order, you will see the activities at the bottom and the routing that were planned for this. But what happens on the floor is people have a browser-based system like this on an old computer, a tablet, a phone, and they will see the different jobs as they log on. So Cynthia's logged on here. She scanned her badge, and now she sees a different job. She could select one of these and say, I'm going to start it, or I could declare products on it. I could say I made so many, or I used so many components of raw material. If she starts it, we can see now that she started quality on work order 172. So if we go back on SAP Business One and we do a refresh, what's going to happen is now the system is going to show that, she just started quality on this work order. Real-time information, very easy to deploy, about 10 hours to install and train people, very inexpensive to put in place for a client, $8.95 per terminal, $3.95 per pack of 10 users. It's a no-brainer. So any client using SAP Business One production orders should have this to get real information, to impact material and finished product, and of course have a real dashboard of what's taking place on the floor. Thank you.